BA student, in previous class I was discussing regarding the now what is state model, how to develop the what is the state model, how to write the state equation and also the output equation in matrix form. I was discussing regarding those things in previous session. In today's class, I'm going to discuss how to develop the state model for the system. The differential equation is given. Now, how to develop the state model. Here, this is the first example, usually asking question. This is the standard question asked many times in the examination. Obtain the general state model for the control system whose differential equation is obtain the general state model. The general state model means state model is nothing but the developing the state equation and output equation in matrix form is called as a state model of a system. Therefore, here the given differential equation is this. The given differential. Now this is the given differential equation. Now this is the given differential equation. A given differential equation is, now this is the equation. Given the above equation can be written as, the above differential equation can be written as above differential equation. This equation can be written as differential equation. Differential equation can be, now this is the given differential equation can be written as yeah, d square, not d square, it's a d cube by dq of d cube by dtq of phi of t plus. Now this can be written as y double dash, y triple dash, not y triple dash of t plus 6 into y double dash of t plus 11 into single y dash of t plus 6 into y. Now this is equal to 10 into r of t. Now this is equation 1. Now this is equation 1. What is the value of this y double dash of t? Y triple dash of t is equal to d cube by dt cube. Y double dash of t is equal to d square by dt square. Can be written as y double dash of t or y double dot of t. These things we have studied in the mathematics. So double derivative, so third order derivative. So y double dot of t can be written as d by dt. Now these are that is what I have written. The above equation can be written as like this. So now given differential equation. Now this is the equation. Now this can be written as like this. So it's the first step. So now we need to choose the state variable. To develop the state model, we need to write down the state equation. The state equation is nothing but the linear combinations of state variables and the input variables. Therefore, we need to choose the first step is to, next step is to choose the state variable O. Now this is a third order equation. Now this is a third order system. Therefore, we need to choose three state variable. We need to choose three state variables. So x1, x2, and x3. This is a third order system. Therefore, third order equation. If the equation is third order differential equation, then we need to choose the three state variables. If it is second order, you need to choose this two state variables. The number of state variables depends upon the order of the differential equation. This is a third order system. Therefore, the given system is a third order system. We need to choose the Now what will be the, we need to let, now what is the value of x1? Now let x1 is equal to y. X1 is equal to y and x2 is equal to y dash. So for assigning x1 state variable, x1 value is equal to y and x2 is equal to y dash dy by dy of dt, first derivative of output. So x1 is equal to output. So therefore the x2 is a state variable. So this is equal to first derivative of the output. So that is y dash. So now this is equal to x3 is equal to, we need to choose second derivative of the output. So therefore this can be written as y double dash. So now this is equation 2. Now this equation 3. Now this is equation 4. Now differentiate equation. Now next step, differentiate equation 1 with respect to equation 2. Now differentiate the equation 2 with respect to, now differentiate equation 1 with respect to t, with respect to t. Differentiate the equation 1 with respect to t. Now this is equation. Now what is dx1 by dt? The left hand side, if I differentiate, then dx1 by dt is equal to, if I differentiate, what is the dy by dt? Now dy by dt, now dy by dt, right answer. Dx1 by t is equal to dy by dt. Now this can be written as y dash. So now what will be the value of y dash? Now what is the y dash value? If I look at the equation 3, then y dash value is equal to x2. What is the value of y dash? If you differentiate equation 1 with respect to t, now this can be written as dx1 by dt is equal to y. If we differentiate, now this is equal to y dash. So y dash value is equal to what? Y dash is equal to x2. Therefore, now this can be written as 0 into x1. Other two state variables are absent. So therefore, I need to include those also. 0 into x1 plus 1 into x2 plus 1 into x2, 0 into x1. No. 0 into x1 plus 1 into x2 plus 0 into x3. 0 into x3 plus, we need to write it in ax plus bu form, plus 0 into u or u1. Now similarly, differentiate equation 2. Now differentiate the equation 2 with respect to t. Equation 3 not of t. Now this you have to differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate equation. Now dx2. Now this is called as a x1 dot o. Similarly, x2 dot is equal to what? x2 dot is equal to differentiate this. dx2 by dt is equal to, if I differentiate y dash, so then automatically becomes dt. Now this becomes y double dash. Now this is equal to, what is y double dash value? Now y dash is equal to x3. Now what is the other two variables are x1, x2 is absent. Therefore this can be written as x1, 0 into x1, 0 into x2 plus 0 into 1 into x3 plus this term is also absent. Therefore 0 into u2. 0 into u2. Therefore Therefore, now I need to generate the first state equation, second state equation. The state equation is a linear combinations of input. Input is 0 into u1, u2, and u. And this is a state variables x1, x2 is a linear combination of state variable and the output variable. So therefore, similarly, if I differentiate this equation, if I differentiate equation 4 with respect to t, then you will get this x3 dash or x3 dot is equal to dx3 by dt can be written as x3 dot o is equal to, now in left hand side y double dash o, now this can be written as y triple dash o. Now what is the value of y triple dash value? From equation, now this is the equation 1. Now consider this as equation 1. Therefore, what is the value of y double dash from equation 1? From equation 1. Now this can be written as like this. Y triple dash is a, now this can be written as y triple dash. I need to bring all this quantity on the right hand side. Then what will be the 6 into minus 6 into y double dash plus minus, this also becomes, if I go to the right hand side, next 11 into y dash, so minus 6 into y, this term is plus 10 into r of t. Now this from equation 1, now this is the value. Now what is the value? x3 dash is equal to what? x3 dash is equal to y3 dash, y triple dash, y3 triple dash is equal to, what is the value of y triple dash? Minus 6 into y double dash, minus 11 into y double dash, minus 6 into y plus 10 into r of t. Now what is the value of y double dash? Minus 6 into y double dash value is, y double dash assigned x1 is equal to y, x2 is equal to y dash, x3 is equal to y double dash. Earlier beginning itself I assigned the state variables, x1 is equal to output variable y, x2 is equal to y double dash, so now x3 is equal to y double dash, so therefore what is the minus 6 into y double dash is x3, 11 into y double dash, y dash value is equal to x2, minus 6 into y value is x1, plus 10 into plus 10 into r of t is nothing but u of t. Minus 6 into x3, 11 into x2. Now this can be written as, now this is equal to y triple dash value. Therefore this is equal to, now this is, what is the value of this? Now this is equal to, now this is equal to, I can write it as minus 6 into x1, minus 11 into x2, minus 6 into x3. All the variables, state variables are present in this, plus 10 into u of t or u3. Write it as, no problem. R of t is nothing but the input. Therefore, input on R of t can be written as R of t is equal to what? Input. Therefore, in state model, sorry, instead of R of t, go for using the u of t. Now this is the equation. Now this is equation 1. And this is equation 2. Now this is equation 3. From equation 1, 2, 3, we can write the matrix form. The above equation 3, equation 1, 2, 3 can be written in matrix form from the equation, not this is equation 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 can be written in matrix form. The above the equation, hence the equation 1, 2 equation is equation 4, 5, 6, 7 can be written in matrix form. Hence the equation, by using equation 5, 6 and 7, we can write the state equation in matrix form. Now this is the state equation, x1 dash, x2 dot, dash r dot, x3 dash is equal to, now what will be the matrix? So now these coefficients are, we need to write down 0, 1, no, first equation 0, 0, this one value is x2 value is 1, no, and x3 value is equal to, consider the equation 6, so 0 into 0, this 0, we need to write down, this 1, we need to write down. Similarly, consider the equation 6, 7, equation 7, then write the minus 6, so minus 11, and minus 6. Now this can be x1, here we need to write down x2, x3, plus, now this is the, what is the value of this value? 0 into 0, 0 can be this 0, 0. Next, this R of t is equal to 10, 10 into 3, therefore this can be written as like this. So u, u1, u2, u3. Now this is the state equation in matrix form. Now this is the state equation. Now this is the equation 8 is the state equation in matrix form. But state model, I need to develop the state model. The state model is nothing but the writing the state equation and the output equation. Therefore, I need to develop the output equation. What is the output equation? Output equation y of t is equal to cx plus du. I need to derive like this. So this is equal to, I have derived x dash of t is equal to, this is the A matrix. So now this is the A system matrix A. Now this is the input weight ax of t plus bu. Now this is the system matrix. So this is system matrix. So this is the input matrix. So B matrix. So for B is the U is the input vector, the state vector. So I have derived the state model in this form. Now I have to develop the output equation. I need to develop the output equation. Output equation is nothing but the what is the output equation? The output equation is nothing but is a linear combinations of state variable input. So therefore, I have assumed that the output equation. Therefore, output equation is equal to, what is the output equation? The output equation in this system, output equation I need to develop. The output equation is equal to, in this system, output is equal to, in this system, output I have assumed output. What is I have assumed? X1 is equal to y. I have assumed beginning itself. Let x1, x2, x3 are the state variable. Now what is the x1 is equal to y I have assumed. Therefore the y is equal to output. Therefore x1. Now it is, this is in matrix form. 0 into, this can be written as 0 into 1 into x1. This can be written as 1 into x1 plus 0 into x2. Other two variables are 0 into x3. Cx form. I need to bring the y is equal to Cx du form. Therefore, now this can be written as 1 comma 0 comma 0 into x1 x2 x3. Now this is the output equation. Now this is the output equation, and this is the state equation. The state model is a vector form of state equation and output equation. Output equation ಅಂದ್ರೆ we need to derive y of t is equal to cx plus v. I have assumed y is equal to x1. Therefore, this x1 is present. Other two variables are absent. Therefore, this can be written as 1 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 0 into x3. Therefore, we can write it in matrix form. Now, this is the output in matrix form, output equation. Hence, the state model is a vector form of the state equation and output equation. In the next session, I'm going to consider another examples on if the how to develop another differential equation is given, how to develop the state model. I'm going to discuss. Thank you for listening.